I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming you have a high-resolution original image and the right tools. This prevents scaling blur. Open your Photos or Gallery app, locate the original file, and choose Set as Wallpaper. Once done, select Home, Lock, or both so the phone applies correctly. Make sure to avoid using a downloaded thumbnail or an edited low-res export. If your launcher asks for cropping, use the native crop tool rather than third-party editors to preserve sharpness. Now focus on precise scaling and file format to fix remaining blur. Open the crop tool and lock the aspect ratio to your screen size so the phone doesn't upscale or downscale awkwardly. If your launcher applies a parallax or auto zoom, disable it. Those effects often blur by resizing. For images with compression artifacts, convert the file to PNG or export at maximum quality, then reapply. Once you've set these, preview before confirming to finish by ensuring the change sticks. Clear your launcher cache and reboot to force a fresh render. Apply the corrected wallpaper and inspect at the home screen and lock screen for clarity. If it still looks soft, try a different high-resolution image to determine whether the file or the system causes blur. As a last resort, update Android or install a reputable third-party launcher. This often resolves persistent scaling or rendering flaws. If problems persist, consider factory settings or professional support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.